going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, got the Skyline back in the garage behind me. Finally got the fittings to come in for the oil cooler so I can finish that stuff up. I'll show you that right now. So got a couple of bulkhead fittings here, and I'll show you what we're going to do with those in a few minutes if you're not familiar with what they are. But we got those, couple of extra 90s, so we should be able to finish all that stuff up, get the oil lines tightened up and get all that stuff finished. And then I've got some fittings and a couple of things to do for the cooling system, and then after that we're going to get the intake manifold installed, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and drill my first pilot hole, get ready to put this first bulkhead in. There's one. Get ready to drill the next one. I think you guys kind of probably understand what's going on now. As you can see, that fitting bolts into the firewall, and you're able to hook the lines up on either side without passing the hose through the frame. Alright guys, now you can see where the fittings come through the inside. So this fitting will go here. Of course I got to do a little something with this radiator hose. It's no big deal. I just need to shorten it up, maybe about ½ an inch or 3/4 of an inch. But anyway, so these two lines are going to sweep in. Let me grab this other one here. Alright, there we go. So those two lines are going to sweep in right there and just kind of run right into this oil block, obviously. So I hope that's starting to make a little bit of sense. I think that's going to look pretty nice. Even more importantly, it's going to work pretty nice. So there's where we're going on one side. And then the other side's going up here to the top of this cooler, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, let's make some lines. Alright guys, here's what these lines look like. I think that looks pretty good. I like it. And like I said, you can disconnect them right here. Right there if you need to. You know, if somebody were to take the engine out or whatever, you can just unhook them right here and be done with it. So there we go. Now I just got to make 2 lines in the bottom and the wheel lines will be done. Alright. I think this came out pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let me know. Got the bulkheads up there. The fluid comes from the engine to this one. Flows into the filter, comes back out of the filter, through the oil cooler, out of the oil cooler, and comes back out of that lower fitting. And then they both run over to the distribution, or they both run over to the engine block. So pretty much exactly how I pictured it, and I think it worked out really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all those fittings tightened down. Anyway, I think we're gonna stop this video here. I think this is already gonna be a pretty long video, but I appreciate you guys watching. You know, subscribe. I heard if you click that bell, you know, that does something. I don't know. Let me know if it does. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.